In the past decade, 3D printing has surged in popularity, capturing the imagination of industries, hobbyists, and innovators alike. This transformative technology has revolutionized prototyping, manufacturing, healthcare, and even artistic expression. Let's embark on a journey to debunk these myths and reveal the real essence of additive manufacturing. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Myth 1. 3D printing is a simple plug-and-play process. Contrary to popular belief, 3D printing isn't merely a click-and-print endeavor. While advancements in technology have made printers more user-friendly, mastering this craft requires a nuanced understanding of design software, material properties, and machine settings. Myth 2. 3D printing is inexpensive. The perception of 3D printing as a cost-effective manufacturing method isn't always accurate. While basic printers have become more affordable, quality prints often demand high-grade filaments or resins, which can be pricey. Myth 3. All 3D printers are created equal. The 3D printing landscape is diverse, ranging from entry-level desktop printers to industrial-grade machines. Each type caters to distinct needs with varying capabilities, print quality, and supported materials. Choosing the right printer involves assessing specific requirements and understanding the machine's limitations and strengths. Myth 4. 3D printing is solely for prototyping. While 3D printing excels in rapid prototyping, its utility extends far beyond this realm. The technology now facilitates the production of end-use parts, customized products, and even architectural structures. Myth 5. 3D printing is an eco-friendly solution. Though 3D printing minimizes material waste by producing items on demand, some processes generate plastic waste or utilize materials that are challenging to recycle. While it offers sustainability advantages in certain scenarios, its environmental impact is not universally benign. Myth 6. 3D printing yields instant results. The misconception of instantaneous 3D printing is far from reality. Print times can vary significantly based on object complexity, size, chosen materials, and desired print quality. Patience is a virtue in the realm of additive manufacturing. Myth 7. All 3D printed objects possess equal strength. Strength and durability of 3D printed objects hinge upon various factors such as design intricacy, material properties, print orientation, and printing parameters. Myth 8. 3D printing replaces traditional manufacturing. While 3D printing complements traditional manufacturing methods, it doesn't entirely supplant them. Techniques like injection molding or CNC machining continue to thrive due to their cost-effectiveness and suitability for mass production. Myth 9. 3D printing can fabricate anything. The capability to 3D print nearly anything has its limitations. Some designs may prove challenging or impossible due to their complexity, size, or material requirements. Moreover, certain intricate structures might demand post-processing or assembly beyond the scope of current 3D printing capabilities. Myth 10. 3D printing poses no safety concerns. While 3D printing is relatively safe when practiced with caution, it isn't devoid of risks. Fumes emitted during the printing process, particularly from certain plastics or resins, can pose health hazards without adequate ventilation. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.